Hi, I'm Beverly Thiagarajan, and today I would love to share how I make Gimbap, which is a Korean seaweed rice roll. Every family makes it differently, which is the beauty of it. You can use anything you have in the fridge, and you can experiment with different combinations. When I moved to LA and I realized there are all these Korean markets, the first thing I did was go to a market and buy myself a pack of gimbap. I think I ate the whole thing in the car on the way home, and I savored it, I loved it, and I kept going back to the market buying more, and then I started making it myself. As a pianist, it's actually great backstage food because you can't spill on your dress. You can just grab one or two right before, and then in between intermission. You don't want to be too full during a performance, and it just gives you that quick energy. It's also great travel food with kids. Pack it, get it in the car.